Good morning. Good
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am. Good
For all. Good afternoon, dear children.
afternoon, ma'am.
Dear children, have you all copied last day's notes?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Have you done homework?
Yes.
From workbook, I have given 3 homework. Have you done that?
Yes. Yes. Ma'am, that day I was absent.
Your voice is not clear to me, dear. Now, anybody else want to say answer? Veda. Veda can. What is pattern?
A pattern is an arrangement
Hmm.
of shape of numbers that follow a particular rule.
Very good, very good. A pattern is an arrangement of shapes or numbers that follow a particular rule. Then now anybody else? Anybody else? Ishan can repeat. Ishan, please repeat. What is pattern? Unmute and say. Unmute here. Okay.
A pattern is an arrangement of shapes and numbers that follow a particular rule.
Very good, very good. Next, Tejashree. Unmute. What is pattern?
A pattern is an arrangement of shapes or numbers
That follow
particular rule.
rule, a certain rule. Okay. Ryan Harris, please unmute. What is pattern?
A pattern is an arrangement of shapes or numbers that follow a particular rule.
Okay, okay. A particular rule. Okay, dear children. What is pattern? A pattern is an arrangement of shapes or numbers
that follow
a particular rule. Okay. Particular rule or certain rule. Both are correct. Okay. Amrin? Amrin, sit straight. Fold your hands and sit straight. Fold your hands and sit straight. Now, dear children, we are going to discuss about basic shape of a pattern. Last year, you have learned what is basic shape. Anybody can answer what is basic shape? Anybody knows? Benedict, do you know? Do you know what is basic shape of a pattern?
Yes, ma'am.
You can.
Square, rectangle, triangle, circle.
Okay, if I made a pattern using star and circle, what you will say? What is the basic shape?
Circle.
Oh, okay. I understood what you are going to say, but you said one example. Okay. Good. Anybody else? Thank you, Benedict. Anybody else? Are you sleeping? Are you all sleeping?
No.
Saint, Anandita. Okay.
Circle.
Circles. Only circles?
Yeah.
Basic shapes, only circles.
No. Circle and
Oh.
can I?
Who is asking permission?
Ma'am.
Mohammad Ihsan want to say something. Wait. Okay. Shasa, I'll come to you. Wait. Okay.
Circle. Triangle. Square.
Basic shapes of a pattern. All these shapes are basic shapes of a pattern. Let me see. Shasa, what do you want to say? Wait. Nisar? Shasa. Sorry? Once again. Circle. Okay, everybody is telling circle, triangle. Okay, a pattern is a repeated parts. Okay, repeated parts. In a pattern, which part is repeating? That part we can call basic shape. So, dear children, the repeated shape or a group of shape of a pattern is called its basic shape. Maybe one shape or more than one shapes, a group of shapes are repeating in a pattern. That shape or group of shape we can call basic shape. Okay, I'll show you some examples. Okay, are you ready? Are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay. Please mute your audios. Okay, dear children, you don't want to take your maths note, open your maths notebook now? Okay. Just pay attention. Okay.
Hello.
Please don't copy anything now. Dear children, now I am going to draw a pattern over here. Circle, 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 like that continues. Dear children, basic shape of this pattern is circle. Okay, because circle is repeating over here. So, its basic shape is circle. Okay. No, you don't want to copy this to your notebook. Now, please sit properly over there, fold your hands and listen. Okay. And if I am drawing square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle like this.
We need
Square, triangle. Here you can see the square and triangle is.
We need to write.
No, dear children, you don't want to copy. Saying
No.
straight.
Don't write.
Please don't write these questions. I'll tell you when you want to open your book. Okay? Then what is the basic shape for this pattern? Basic shapes, triangle and
Square.
square and triangle. Like this. Now you have to answer.
Hello.
Okay? No need to copy. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Dear children, no need to open your book now. Rahul, please unmute. Unmute. Okay. Will you tell the basic shape of this pattern?
Yes.
What is the basic shape?
Triangle.
Basic shapes are triangle and
Circle.
very good, Rahul. Very good. Triangle and
Circle.
Good. Next, I'm going to draw a smiley. One smiley. Then circle, square. smiley, then circle, then square. Smiley, circle, then square. Like this we are writing and drawing a pattern. I want answer from.
Smiley. After
Wait.
square.
Here anybody is there to get chance to answer? Anybody? Please raise your hand. Oh. Bhagya got one time. No, Bin. You got one time chance. Let Bhagya say answer now. Okay? After that, I will come to you. Okay? Yeah, and no, Bin. Wait. Okay?
Circle. Triangle. Circle.
It's a circle. First one. Is that circle?
Smiley.
Smiley.
Circle.
Circle. Then
Square.
square. Smiley. Then
Circle.
circle. Square. Very good,
Circle.
Bhagya. Good. Next. Nobin can answer next. Okay. Unmute. Nobin, unmute. You don't know how to unmute? Touch on that audio symbol, then it will be. Wait. Now just try. Now just try, Nobin. Try to unmute. Okay. Wait, Nobin. I'll be. Next question. Star, heart, star. Heart, star. Dear children, please wait.
I didn't
Bobin, get chance. Sorry?
I didn't get chance.
Who is this I? Please tell me your name.
I didn't get chance. I didn't get the chance.
See?
Rehan Yunus.
Rehan, Yunus, Sheba, dear children. See, in one class I can't give chance for everyone, but I'll give you chance. Okay? Okay. Okay, dear children.
Ma'am, I didn't get chance.
That only I said. Here. So, dear children, Nobin. Where is Nobin? I can't see Nobin now. I'll come to him later.
Ma'am.
Nobin, please unmute. Nobin, please unmute. Okay. Will you tell what is the basic shape of this pattern? Basic shapes. Louder, please. Star. Okay. Then heart. Louder. Star, heart. Nia Mary, please unmute.
Yes.
Star, heart. Only this much.
Heart.
Sorry?
Heart.
One more heart is there. Okay, Nobin? Because these are the shapes repeating. So, star, heart. Okay? Now, dear children, please open your maths notebook. Please open your maths notebook. And you can write along with me. Put today's date. You can write along with me. The, T-H-E, the, repeated, R-E-P-E-A-T-E-D, repeated, shape, S-H-A-P-E, shape, or A, group of shapes, or a group of shapes of a pattern is called its basic shape, B-A-S-I-C, basic shape. The repeated shape or a group of shapes of a pattern is called its basic shape.
Finish.
Finish. Good. Dear children, please
Completed.
pass.
Finished. Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, I finished.
Not finished.
Not finished. Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, finished.
Dear children, please keep your audio muted because echo is coming. The repeated shape or a group of shapes of a pattern is called its basic shape.
The repeated shape.
Ma'am, finished.
The repeated shape.
Ma'am, I
Now, dear children, if anybody is there to complete, please leave space for writing. Because we have to do 3 questions. We won't get time for doing that. So, dear children, if anybody is there to complete this sentence, please leave space for that. I'll be sending through WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Can I go to next page for writing questions?
Yes.
Yes, Nia, I saw.
Ma'am, we want to speak next, please.
No. If you have space, you can write as continuation. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
write the question. Draw, D-R-A-W, draw. You can write along with me, okay? Draw the basic shape, T-H-E, the basic shape, S-H-A-P-E, shape or shapes for the following patterns. For the following patterns.
Board is not clear to me.
Wait dear, maybe your network is slow. That's why. What about others? Can you all see the board properly, dear children?
Yes.
Show me a thumbs up if you can see the board properly. Okay.
Now I can see the clear.
Okay. This word is S, dear. E-R-N-S. Okay. Now, first one, star, rectangle, star, rectangle, star, rectangle. Draw the basic shape of this pattern. Basic shape. Basic shapes. You have to write answer also, okay? Next one. Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow. Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow. Left arrow, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow. You have to write basic shape of this pattern.
Red question also.
Ah, yes. Dear, do one thing. If you don't, within 2 minutes, you have to complete. So if you can't draw the question, you write the answer now. Later, you can copy down the question. I will be sending through WhatsApp. That time you can copy down the questions.
After the star, what is?
Sorry?
After the star.
Rectangle it is. Star, rectangle. Okay? Is it clear to you, dear?
Yes.
Okay.
VAS.
Now,
Basic
star,
shape. SHAPE.
heart, circle. Star, heart, circle. Star, heart, circle.
Star, rectangle.
Dear children, please keep your audio muted and write. Do fast.
B. No. Yes. Up arrow, down arrow, side arrow. Up arrow, down arrow, side arrow. Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow.
Okay. Dear children, please make it fast.
Ma'am, I not finished. 1 minute. I not finished.
Yes. Only 1 more minute. If you can't write the question, at least write answer. Leave space for writing question and complete the answers. Okay.
Star, heart, circle, star, heart, heart.
I think we can discuss the answer now. Dear children, because our time is up, that's why we have to wind up class. Okay? Abdel, please unmute.
Now finish.
Abdel Dillo, please unmute. Can you hear me? Please unmute here. Not over. Abdel. I think he has some network issue. Next, I'll be asking to Adish.
I can say.
Let Adish say answer. Okay. Adish, will you say answer for the first question?
Ma'am, I came. Abdul.
Wait, Abdel. I'll be asking next question for you. Okay.
Ma'am.
Now, please be there. Let Adish say answer. Others, please keep quiet. Adish, tell me the answer.
Rectangle.
Star.
Rectangle.
Very good, Adish. Next, Abdel. Abdel? Abdel, Dillo?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes,
You,
ma'am.
will you say answer for the next question?
Ma'am.
Ah,
Yes.
yes, start. Abdel?
Yes.
Up arrow, down arrow?
down arrow, and
Ah.
side arrow.
Side.
Ma'am, up arrow, down
Arrow, down
arrow,
arrow,
and
side arrow. Okay.
right
Next
arrow.
question is
Left
to
arrow.
Ryan Yunus. Ryan,
Side
please unmute.
arrow.
Ryan,
Side
please
arrow.
unmute and say.
Am I unmuted?
Now you can say answer for third question. Basic shape. Star. Heart. Circle. Anything else you want to write?
Circle.
No, this much is enough. Star, heart, circle. That is the basic shape here. Repeating. So, star, heart, circle. Okay.
Circle.
Yes. Very good. Dear children.
Circle.
Dear children, very good. I hope you all got correct answers. Isn't that? Dear children, if anybody is there to get chance for answering, I will give you next day. Don't worry. Okay? Tejasri, yes, next day I will be asking to you. Okay? Okay? Write and finish. I will be sending through WhatsApp. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
That time you can complete. So thank you, my dear children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Giving homework. You have to complete that also.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. See you next time.
Bye. Bye.